Hi family, you are welcome back to my channel, and today we are making Ghana black sauce or chili sauce, aka ganshito, authentic ganshito because it originates from the Ghans. And this is not just a condiment, but this is a sauce that can be paired with so many other dishes apart from the original dish of pairing it with kenke or wache. So straight into a video. On my tray I have my ingredients, that's the onions, I have my ginger, garlic, aniseed, rosemary, habanero pepper, shrimp powder, cayenne or chili pepper, I have my seasoning, I have my grains of Selim, and I'm going to list all the ingredients in my description box. So ready to go. Our saucepan is already on there. I'm just adding my oil, and I'm going to allow this oil to heat up before adding my blended onions. So I am starting with the onions, blending that first to fry down or cook down until dry or golden or brown before I introduce the other ingredients. Yeah, that is how I like to approach it. So I've just checked and the oil is ready. So straight into the oil, I'm adding my blended onions, which is going to cook down until I see that it's dry, there's no water in there, before I will add the other ingredients that I have, like the garlic and the habanero pepper, aniseed, rosemary, Whentia, grains of Selim. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to allow this to cook down for about 10 minutes until all the water dries out of it before I now add my next ingredient. I hope you've been enjoying my video so far. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and leave a comment. So there we have our sauce. It's all drained down or dried out, no water. So I'm just adding a bit of tomato puree. Now, the authentic ganshito doesn't include tomato puree, but this is to enhance the taste and to help, if you want to enjoy it with other meals or dishes like rice, then it's just good to add a tomato puree. You can try it. And I've also just added my blended ginger and the other natural seasoning, which I'm stirring to make sure it's well incorporated. And I'm going to leave this to cook or simmer for some few minutes before I come back. And there we have it. You can see that the water has, dried out of it, or it's simmered to the point that you wouldn't see any water in there. You can see it's a dry sauce. So at this point, I'm just going to add my chili powder to this sauce that I have here. So you can see this is very dry and then well cooked. So chili sauce, I'm adding the chili powder. There we go. So with the chili powder, depending on how spicy you want it, you can add more or you can add less. It's all down to your taste and your preference. Okay, so if you really want to enjoy your shito, I don't think you add just too much of it. Just look at how you want it, and you don't want to finish eating and you'll be having tummy ache. So adjust to your preference. Okay, so I've just added the chili powder and I'm stirring. And you see, gradually we are getting the shito color that we would normally have. So I'm introducing my shrimp powder, and I'll stir that into the sauce and allow that to cook down as well. You notice I'm not adding herring because with the authentic ganshito, they do not add herring. It's just the shrimp powder. But give it a try and you come back thanking me. It's so delicious. So there we have it. And especially if you'll be taking your food to work, it's always good to keep it simple, because the herrings also have this, aroma or smell that comes with it when you heat it up. Now I did add a bit of oil because the oil was not enough, so I just added a bit more. And I've also added my seasoning at this point, stirring everything together. Remember that you only add your salt at the end of your shito, or when you are coming to the end of it. Don't add it in the course of you preparing it, because all the other natural seasoning do have salt in them. And then we have it, we can see our shito is already taking shape. I've just added my salt as well, and it's looking more like shito that we know, so you can see it. Guess what? The whole house was so filled with the aroma of the shito, and I wish you were here to smell it. You can only, imagine. And there we have our shito. It's all done, looking so beautiful, ready to be consumed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the button. Do try this recipe and let me know how it went, whether you liked it and you enjoyed it. And leave a comment in the comment section. God bless you and do have a lovely day. Bye. Hit the button.